Hi everyone, welcome to Campbell's Kitchen. So today we'll be making curry chicken. Just a little rundown of what we have here. We have some roasted garlic and pepper. We have some black pepper, garlic powder. Of course, the betta pot curry powder, traditional Jamaican, the Maggi, all-purpose, carrot, peppers, can't forget a Scotch bonnet, onion, thyme, and potatoes. So first, what we'll be doing is washing the chicken with vinegar. So as you can see, the chicken is all nicely cut up. We only use the chicken legs today, but you can use any part of the chicken you like.
Get it to the point right now.
Next, we will get into the seasoning. Wow. So now that the chicken is all seasoned, just look at that. We will now be washing and preparing the vegetables that we'll be using in the chicken. Keep in mind there's no specific measurement for these seasonings, as it all depends on the amount of chicken you plan on cooking.
We're gonna burn the cooking oil with the curry in the pot. That way you get a nice flavor. Don't forget about the garlic and pepper. Now I'm going to add my chicken.
So what are you doing to the chicken?
I'm stirring so you get that nice flavor. Now I'm gonna leave the pot open for like 15 minutes so you get that color.